Hi everyone, this is Franny from Annabelle. Today I've shown the mini-size tankless electric water heaters W55 packing to you. Here is the color box of W55. And there are specifications on both sides. As a small size model, the weight only 1.4 kilograms. As for the packing, we can offer a manual and screw set so that you can use and install better. And it has bubble wrap to protect the machine.